So Nigerians have started again. Semi-finals of the AFCON. Ghanaian referee would be officiating Morocco, Nigeria. Hey, Nigerians everywhere. Social media is buzzing.
See, if Nigeria somehow wins tomorrow, after all these principalities and powers people have said before us, all of you should run away from the internet. Run away from this app.
Nigeria, why are you worried? I am here supporting you, Ghanaian. I am supporting Nigeria against Morocco. But why are you worried? If they win, everything will be cool. But if they lose, they will blame the referee, Daniel Nilai.
You know what goes on between Ghana and Nigeria? You know our banter? You know how we go about? South Africa too. You know it. And you still put all these things against us. And there have been rumors that referees are even favoring Morocco.
But Nigerians, I am standing here on behalf of all Ghanaians, assuring you that Daniel Nilai is an experienced referee. He would be very fair. Look, go back and read or go back and check his credentials and records. He is the best referee for this game, and he would be in his best posture tomorrow. And tomorrow you would enjoy the referees officiating. And I bet you, whether win or lose, you can't blame the referee because there would be no fault with the referee. It would be solely based on performance of the two teams. That is the assurance. But it looks as if, are you not sure of yourself?
Guys, as you all know, Nigeria and Morocco are playing today. As I'm talking to you right now, Nigerians are seriously in fear of losing to Morocco. And guess who they are blaming for all of this? Ghana and South Africa. When I saw the video, I said, Dale, you aren't gonna watch this video alone. So I bring it on here for you guys to also see so we can rub minds. I don't know why. Always, these people cannot carry their cross. All the time, they would like to involve one country and another, especially Ghana and South Africa. Well, let's jump right into the video and see for ourselves. But before then, I would love to give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited returning back to you. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's jump right into the video, and please at the end of it, kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
The referee for Nigeria's match tomorrow versus Morocco is a Ghanaian. The assistant referee is a South African. The referee of VAR is a South African. And we are playing against the host nation. See, if Nigeria somehow wins tomorrow, after all these principalities and powers people have said before us, all of you should run away from the internet. Run away from this app. Leave the internet for Nigeria. You people don't hear what. I don't understand, CAF. I mean, even though that referee tomorrow is unbiased, is equal and does everything right, my brother, any decision, any small decision he makes will be scrutinized, will be under a microscope. Look at how you didn't put any North African as a main referee. The only North African you put is as assistant VAR1. That is what you put a North African as. And we understand that. It makes sense. You know what goes on between Ghana and Nigeria? You know our banter. You know how we go about. South Africa too. You know it. And you still put all these things against us. And there have been rumors that referees are even favoring Morocco. So instead of you to kill those things completely, you now piled everything on it. I don't think this was smart from CAF. How can we be playing against the host nation? Have you gone to the stadium and heard how loud those Moroccan fans are? To buy tickets now is a problem for Nigerians. Nigerians are not seeing tickets to buy. Most of them are buying from third party. After all these things, we still go put Ghanaian referee first. Charlie, you better behave yourself tomorrow. No pan for Jimmy Kwasia. Charlie, me a punch it. Well, we somehow win tomorrow after all these things. Don't worry. Good football doesn't lie. We have been playing the best football and to show again tomorrow. Just be fair. Just be equal. Just do justice. That's all we ask for. We're not asking for any favor.
Instead of NATO, they beg now. Let's say they make mad for social media. Instead of una, so they beg Ghanaians to talk to their brother. To be fair with tomorrow, today match, because I'm doing this video today. Una see they brag for social media. Who be your principalities of power? Ghanaians are your principality. South Africans are Jesus. Nigeria will never change. I beg Ghanaians, make una no follow this man mouth. May una brother go blow whistle in a wrong direction today. Abeg. Abeg o. Abeg. Dollar bet for this game $3,000. Abeg, you go win $10,000. We go carry that money give una brother wey be referee. Abeg, make una talk to una brother for us. Una no mind all those how dem dey talk for social media. Some people dey beg and some people dey create content. Abeg, leave those one wey dey create content and follow this we wey we dey beg. Make una talk to una brother. Nigeria have gone in a very wrong way. They cannot lose for this one. Abeg. All we need not be make the referee just side Nigeria, make the referee just do a normal work jejeje and leave the rest for the players. If Nigeria no come play well, they come sell the ball na dey sabi. You get? Abeg, make una talk to una brother for us. Nigeria dey fear like this. Nigeria people dey fear like this. Chai! Una know say una no dey fair to Ghanaians. They just bring the news come out say na Ghana man I be the referee for tomorrow match. Everybody just burst come out. Hi! This one don spoil. This one don spoil. Why una believe say this man go stand against una? If una mind, una conscience dey clean, why una go believe say the man go stand against una? Dem say make una dey fair. Everybody go dey find talk for their own benefit. Either reach to play ball now. Ghana man I be the referee. Everybody just dey panic. Why una dey panic? Calm down. Ghanaians are not like una. The man we do him work according to how e supposed to be. He no go join the host nation. Yes, he go work well. That is how he has been trained. Many of una no even know how much Ghanaians love Nigerians, if not because of this armed robber, bad news, bad this. You think say Ghanaians don't love Nigeria? Come on for there. We wait for the match. Who win. Who lose. But man, I no can lose finish. Man, I no can set the match. Now can they blame Ghana referee? If we hear them, we are waiting.
So Nigerians have started again. Semi-finals of the AFCON. Ghanaian referee would be officiating Morocco, Nigeria. Hey, Nigerians everywhere. Social media is buzzing. Let me before I even go on, let me read something from DW. This is on social media. I just saw this, that the Confederation of African Football's appointment of Ghanaian referee Daniel Ni Ayilayi for Nigeria's AFCON semi-final against Morocco has sparked mixed reactions among Nigerian fans on social media. The match will be played on Wednesday, that is tomorrow, at the Prince Moulay Abdallah Stadium, with assistant officials from South Africa, Lesotho, Mozambique, and Rwanda. While some fans praised Lai's experience, others are worried because of Nigeria's long football rivalry with Ghana and South Africa. Online reactions have included concern, criticism, and jokes as fans debate whether the decision is fair or simply part of normal football politics. CAF's referee choice has added tension and excitement ahead of the AFCON semi-final. Now, Nigeria, why are you worried? I am here supporting you, Ghanaian. I am supporting Nigeria against Morocco. But why are you worried? And CAF too, why? Now, if Nigeria should lose, they will blame Ghana. They will blame the referee. If they win, everything will be cool. But if they lose, they will blame the referee, Daniel Ni Ayilayi. But Nigerians, I am standing here on behalf of all Ghanaians, assuring you that Daniel Ni Ayilayi is an experienced referee. He would be very fair. Look, go back and read or go back and check his credentials and records. He is the best referee for this game, and he would be in his best posture tomorrow. And tomorrow you would enjoy the referees officiating. And I bet you, whether win or lose, you can't blame the referee, because there would be no fault with the referee. It would be solely based on performance of the two teams. That is the assurance. But it looks as if, are you not sure of yourselves? Because I'm sure of Nigeria. That's why today I am in the Super Eagles jersey, just to support Nigeria. And because there's a Ghanaian referee, you people are everywhere talking. I mean, what is it? If you feel the referee is bad or would be biased, in the center circle, shoot and score. He can never say it is not a goal. He can never say it is not a goal. So please, concentrate on the game tomorrow. Play your best. The referee would also be at his best. And let's see what happens. If you win, fine. If you don't win, you accept the defeat in good faith. Calf. Calf to why? Don't let them lose and have a cause to lay or project their loss on Ghana. We beg. But we believe in Daniel Nilai. He would be fair tomorrow. And tomorrow you would enjoy his officiating. And at the end of 90 minutes, you have no cause to talk about the referee. You will be talking about your performance, whether win or lose. Whether win or lose. Ghana is not at the AFCON. The appointment of a Ghanaian referee is now trending all over. Meanwhile, these are two giants, host nation versus a 3-time AFCON champion, Nigeria. We should be talking about tactics. We should be talking about strategies going into the game, head to head, what to expect. Now all attention on the Ghanaian referee. Abba. You people should let Ghana rest. We are not at the AFCON. That is why I have today put down my Ghana jersey. I have put down my Ghana jersey and I am in my Nigeria jersey just to, support my brother. And now look at what is happening. It looks as if this whole AFCON is like Ghana is part. Meanwhile, Ghana is not part. We did not qualify. Please, let's talk about tactics. Let's talk about these two great teams. And leave the referee out. There are 22 men to talk about, plus 2 coaches to talk about. And we are talking about 1 center referee. But I assure you, you guys would enjoy Daniel Nilai tomorrow. Mark it on the wall. He is the best for this game. If you don't know him, go and research on Daniel Nilai. I'll leave it here. We'll be back tomorrow after the game.